So until now, we've been using standard input and output for reading and writing data. But it does not remain in memory. After closing the program, it disappears. So we need to permanently store data in a non-volatile memory, such as a hard disk. And we can use files for future use of the data. So a directory is a collection of files and subdirectories. Ruby has a class for handling operations on directories and files. Name of the class is dir. So let's see it in some examples. Open up your Pentest Studio or any of your favorite development editors, and then create a Ruby project. Project name is examples. Then create a file. File name is files.rb. Now, there are many useful methods to work with directories and files in the dir or dir class. We can get current working directory using the pwd method, puts dir, pwd, save it and run, and it shows the current working directory, which is our project directory. Okay, so we can create directories using the mkdir method. Make a new directory, foo, make another directory, bar, save it and run, and refreshing the Project Explorer, and there you see that the folders are created. So we can get directories and files within the working directory using the glob method. I know, I like that one too. Print dir glob asterisk. The glob method takes a parameter as a search pattern. It can be a static string or a full regular expression. A regular expression is a special sequence of characters that define a particular search pattern. So in this example, we are using an asterisk as a wildcard. So every file and directory will be matched. So let's just save it and run it. And it shows all files and directories in the working directory. Now we can change the wildcard for matching only Ruby files. Run it, and it shows the result. So we can use a block with the glob method. Dir glob do file name as block variable, puts file name. Run the script, and it shows each matched file and directory. We can change the current working directory by using the, okay, you got me, chdir method. So let's change it to foo, or foo. But let's print the current working directory before and after the operation. So printing the current working directory. Dir, chdir, foo, and printing the current working directory. So save it and run, and it shows the current working directory before and after. We can pass an absolute path to the chdir method. Let's do it again with the absolute path. Run it, and it shows the same result. We can use delete as our method to delete a directory. Dir delete bar, run, and refreshing the Project Explorer. Yes, the folder bar has indeed been deleted. Now, besides using methods directly, we can also make an instance of the dir class. So let's create a dummy file in the folder foo for this example. folder equals dir new foo. Then just print the directory contents using the with entries property and save it and run, and it shows the content as an array. The entries of a directory include a dot and a two dot pointer in itself and its parent directory. Now we can pass a relative or absolute path. So let's do it again with an absolute path. Now before we can get the current working directory, run it, and we'll copy the path. And now we can change it with the absolute path, run it, and it shows the same result. We can also use the open method instead of the new method. So run, and it shows the same. So it works with both relative and absolute paths. Let's run it, and it shows the same result. We can also use the each method on the instance, folder, each, do file as block variable, puts file. Run it, and it shows each entry. Now we can specify a directory as a parameter for the entries method. dir entries user bin, and let's print it. The user bin is a standard directory on Unix-like operating systems that contain most of the executable files. So let's run it, and all the files show as an array. We can also use the for each method to get all entries. So dir for each /user /bin do entry as a block variable, puts entry, run, and it shows all files. Another way of getting all entries, asterisk as a wildcard to match all files and directories. Let's print it, run it, and it shows all as an array.